Want to know how to create a group in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. Just simply towards identified.plantnet.org and you should be provided with this interface right here, and make sure you are logged in. So once you've done that, now you should be in this interface, and on the top right side you should be seeing create. That should be right beside data. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected create, you should be given with two options, observation and group. Just simply select group right here, and now you can just simply type in our group name and your description and your protocol, which is option. Description and protocol is optional, so you can just either make your group private or public. And mapped observation can be hidden or shown, and you can also restrict to geographical areas, as you can choose right here. You can just simply choose any one of these and restrict it, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just simply select create and a group should be created easily. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.